I just come outside to look, but now everybody they look me.
So I finally discovered how to create consistent voices in Grok AI, and it's not difficult. I'm going to show you in the next few minutes.
Mama say make I dress important today, even though I just want go play ball.
You know, most of the time we use Grok AI to generate our videos, but the only issue is that the voices are not consistent. Either the character will be shouting or the voices will be too low. So to create consistent voices using Grok AI, I'm going to show you how to do that in the next few minutes so that you can be able to use that for your storytelling, for your faceless YouTube videos. Now, this is a sample video I created using Grok AI.
Hello everyone, I am Chief Okoye, and I stand here as keeper of wealth, tradition, and dignity for my people. For this village, my presence gets authority, honor, and legacy we no fit forget.
My name is Madam Adana, dressed for my traditional marriage, carrying my heritage with pride. My attire, they speak beauty, culture, and the strength we dey inside our women.
So now let me show you how to do that step by step in this video. Let's get started. So the first thing that we'll be needing is our voice prompt, okay? So I'm going to first enter this prompt into ChatGPT. I'm going to copy it like this and go to ChatGPT. Come to this section where we have Ask ChatGPT and paste this prompt. So we are going to discuss the prompt, what this prompt entails. So this is a prompt. Write one paragraph voice prompt defining a Nigeria male voice in his mid-40s for AI voice synthesis. Include concrete specifications for loudness. Okay, so we want the loudness to be consistent. Okay, then we also want the speech rate, pitch range, tone, clarity of articulation, intonation pattern, pause behavior, resonance, and other measurable traits needed to maintain consistent voice reproduction. The reason why I stated all these things is that I want ChatGPT to be specific with the voice prompt, and I also don't want anything long, okay? So that's why I intentionally said one paragraph. So we're going to hit on the generate button to see what ChatGPT is going to give us. You can see ChatGPT has given me the loudness level, that's the DP, the speech rate, and then the tempo. Everything is included. So somewhere in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can have access to this prompt. Okay, now the next thing you are going to do is to request for another prompt. So we are going to generate 3 different prompts. Okay, so the next one, we are going to copy our base prompt or the first prompt we give ChatGPT like this, and enter it again, but this time we are going to edit the prompt. We are going to make it female, okay, or woman voice in her mid-30s. So let's make it 30s for AI voice synthesis. So other specification is still there. We're going to hit on the generate button and see what we are going to get again. So ChatGPT has given us this for the woman. Now we're going to paste the prompt again and edit it. So this time we're going to be male boy. So this time we're going to change the age to 10 years or 9 years. Okay, so we're going to hit on the command button. So now we have 3 voice prompts on ChatGPT. The next thing you're going to do is to open to Grok AI. So let's go to our browser like this and open to Grok AI. I'm going to click on the first link like this. Then come to the section where we have Imagine. Click on this section. We will need a character, and I generated a character in ChatGPT for that. So let's go back to ChatGPT and let me show you the characters I generated. So this is one of the character I generated for this video. I'm going to hit on the download button to download to my device. Then I'm going to also download this character and then download this character too. I'm going to hit on the download button. Now the next thing you're going to do is to go back to Grok AI. Come to this section where we have the attach button. Click on the attach and click on upload a file. We're going to start with the man. Tap on it like this. The next thing you are going to do is to go to ChatGPT and copy the prompt ChatGPT provided. So this is the first prompt. We're going to copy it like this and then go to Grok AI. Come to this section and right click inside the box and paste your prompt. So now we have our voice prompt here. The next thing we want to do is to add a simple statement or something for the character to say. So what you're going to do is to enter our voice here. He said, then I'm going to bring semicolon like this, then open quote and paste what he said. Okay, so anytime you want your character to say something, always try to put it in quote. He said, I am Chief Okoye, and I stand here as a keeper of wealth, tradition, and dignity for my people. So let's hit on the generate button to see what Chief is going to say in this video.
Chief Okoye, and I stand here as keeper of wealth, tradition, and dignity for my people.
So I think it's having problem with starting the I am. Okay, so I'm going to hit on the generate button again to see if this time it will be able to capture the I am part.
Chief Okoye, and I stand here as keeper of wealth, tradition, and dignity for my people.
Okay, so it's still not able to capture that part. We are going to leave it like that and just concentrate on the voice. Okay, the main focus is the voice. We don't want to hit our daily limit. So what we are going to do is to hit on the download button. There's a download button here. We're going to click on the download button and download this to our device. We are going to clear this statement and enter the next sentence here to see if the voice is going to sound the same. Okay, so we're going to enter this text here. For this village, my presence get authority, honor, and legacy we no fit forget. So we're going to hit on the generate button to see if the voice will sound the same. This time our concentration is just on the voice. So let's see if we are going to get the same voice again.
For this village, my presence gets authority, honor, and legacy we no fit forget.
Exactly what we are looking for. You can see the consistency in the voice. There's no shouting, there's no low voice somewhere. Everything is in order. That is how you generate consistent voices in Grok AI. Now we're going to try our second character to see how the voice will sound. Okay, so now let's go back to click on the attach button again, then click on upload file, then import the woman here. Now let's go back to our prompt ChatGPT provided and copy the woman's voice prompt. So this is what we are using for this woman. I'm going to copy it like this and then go back to Grok and enter this prompt here. Now she needs to say something, so we're going to write she said, my name is Madam Adana, dressed for my traditional marriage, carrying my heritage with pride. So let's see if this time it will be able to capture everything, but our interest or our focus is on the voice consistency. Okay,
my name is Madam Adana, dressed for my traditional marriage, carrying my heritage with pride.
Okay, so I want you to take note of the voice. So what we are going to do is to edit the voice aspect again, or the speech aspect here, to see if it will match the first voice. Okay, let's hit on the generate button to see.
My attire, they speak beauty, culture, and the strength we dey inside our women.
Wow, I love it. I love it. Okay, I'm not exaggerating. I like it. Okay, the voice sound the same when you compare it to the first one we generated, and this one, the voices are the same. That is exactly what I'm talking about. We don't have any loud voice or low voice here. It is just the same because it is following a particular speech rate based on the prompt that we have provided. You can see the loudness around 14 dB. The speech rate is also between 155 to 170, and also the pitch range is between 170 to 240. That is why you can see the consistency in the voice generation. Now let's try the last one. Okay, I know you want to see our baby talk, so we're gonna click on the attach button again and click on the upload button to upload our baby character, our small boy, and then copy the prompt. So let's go to ChatGPT and copy our ChatGPT prompt for the young boy. So we're going to copy this one like this, and you can see for his aspect or for his own, the loudness is low, the rate is also low, and also the pitch range is quite low. So we're going to copy that and then go back to Grok, enter our prompt here, and then add his speech. So he's saying, hi, I just came outside to look, but now everybody they look me. Let's hit on the generate button to see. So let's see how this one is also going to sound.
Hi, I just come outside to look, but now everybody they look me.
So take note of Chidi's voice. We are going to bring in the next speech to see if Chidi is also going to sound the same in the second video. So I'm going to leave the prompt in the description section of this video and also the pinned comment section of this video. So try and then pick the prompt and also use it for your own. You can modify it and use it as you want it. But do me a favor to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Leave a nice comment in the comment section for me and also share the video with families and friends who needs this video. Now let's try and listen to Chidi.
Mama say make I dress important today, even though I just want go play ball.
Okay, so how we heard Chidi yourself? Mom, he want to go and play ball, but Mama said he should dress important today. All because it's Mama's marriage ceremony. So this is how to create consistent voice in Grok AI. What do you think about it? Is it something that you're going to try? Let me know that in the comment section. Anytime you try something new from this channel, always tag me in your videos and I'll come to check it out and see how you're also doing on your channel.